In this very moment, you shine as the most beautiful woman in the world. Through sickness and health, through both the brightest days and the darkest nights, you've stood unwavering by my side. Your smile, Gabby, it's a radiant beacon that can light up the gloomiest corners of any room and transform any sorrows into joy. I promise to work tirelessly to keep that smile alive, to create more moments of happiness than sorrow, and to ensure that our journey is filled with triumphs that outnumber our trials. Gabriella, my love for you is unchanging and everlasting.
And with this love song to you, it's not a momentary phase. You are my life, I don't deserve you.
Zach, I promise to always be there for you, even when we are the only two left around. I vow to always let you have a first taste of my leftovers, and I'm so deeply in love with you, and I can't wait to continue on our life adventure together.
I will never stop trying. I will never stop watching as you leave. I will never stop losing my breath every time I see you looking back at me. And I will never stop holding your hand. I will never stop opening your door. I will never stop choosing you, babe. I will never get used to you. You still get my heart racing. You still get my heart racing for you. I will never stop trying. I will never get used to you.